Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to be real quick talking about a little tool organization. You're looking at my pliers drawer, and we've done videos on it in the past. The plastic sorter on the left is made by Tool Sorter. This white wire rack is just a regular shelving rack where I cut off the end and left the L in the first section there. Now, before I used the Harbor Freight pliers rack, but the problem with that is so many things don't fit. The gap between the posts is just, it's too narrow. The Sunex wouldn't fit, Snips wouldn't fit, more Sunex, the Irwin wouldn't fit, Sunex, the two Craftsmans wouldn't fit, this gear wrench wouldn't fit, those two. So half the pliers I owned wouldn't fit in it, which obviously defeats the purpose of even having it. So I like this setup better, but then what do you do with their pliers rack? What do you do? Well, what I did, and what I've been happy with so far, is I'm keeping all my extensions in it, and I've tried to organize them half-inch, starting with the longest down to the shortest, 3/8 longest down to the shortest, 1/4 inch longest down to the shortest. It does create some wasted space, or I'll have to figure out what to do over here, but before I just had these laying in the drawer, and every time you'd open and close it, they'd go whoosh, 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 whoosh. And then I tried this thing from Craftsman, which is a total pile of crap. It's supposed to be for like wrenches or screwdrivers, but I thought I had it placed in here, and I thought I could line them up like that. It didn't work at all. That sucked. But this Harbor Freight thing, I mean, you're never going to be more aggressive than that with your tool drawers. So just holds everything in place. You see, I doubled up the quarters because they would fit there, and then I had to double up some of the 3/8 because I didn't have enough. But I don't know, maybe something you might want to try. It's under $10 or right around $10 at Harbor Freight. So cheap, and you may like it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you give the video a like. Subscribe for our subscriber. And I'm going to continue freezing out in the garage.